Hi all of you, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your elements, your vertical elements horizontally without making display inline. So let me just start my video. Before that, let me just make a file, a new file. Where is my file? A new file. This is my 16th video. So let me write 16.html. Now let's begin. Now let's begin by adding exclamation mark. This is my boilerplate. So let me just make some boxes. Okay. For that, let me write div dot p box. P box is my class, as you all know, and p box means parent box. Okay, I am creating a parent box in which I will write. What should I write? I should write a div div dot, what class should I give? I should give class box. Okay, and I should give an id like box. Let me add dollar as well as into I think into 8, not 8, 5. Okay, so this dollar means it will add 1 2 3 4 5. So it will add 1 2 3 4 5 by its own. So let's see that. Something is now went wrong. Let me write again. So now you can see that my class is box. Okay, which is always same, because class always same, and my id is unique: box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4, box 5. This is the magic of your dollar. Okay, dollar symbol. So here I will write 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5. Okay, so let me see how it is looking right now. So let me open my uh, live server. Okay, so let me see how it is looking. So now you can see that my elements sound now vertical. So I showed you in my last video that what is a good practice. So a good practice is to first uh, make borders. Okay, so first let me give my border to my parent box, which is known as uh, dot p box. Okay, let me give border border 3px solid. What color should I give? Let me give gray. So this is great color. So let me check how it is now looking. So now you can see that this is my parent box in which I will add uh, let me give all these boxes a same border. So let me write class box. Okay, for that, and if I write now here border border which color should I give? Aqua. Not first, let me give 5 or 3px. Let me give 3px solid aqua. Okay, so let me see. So now you can see that this is my boxes, all the boxes 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so let me give some padding and margin as well. Padding should be uh, padding should be 3 pixel from vertical and 0 pixel from horizontal. So let me see that. Also let me give margin should be let me give 5 pixel, as well as from horizontal I should give 0 pixel. Okay, now I will configure later from my dev tools. So now you can see that this is looking pretty much great. Okay, so let me just configure these by where is, so you can see this is your box model. As I already showed you, this is your element, okay. And if I go to padding, this is your padding, okay. After that there is your margin at in the last. So this is your border, this is your padding, this is your border, okay. So now let me just give a padding from here as well, okay. Here, so these are placing right here. I don't want to give them, I just want to give a margin. I think this is great, a 10 pixel. So let me give 10 pixel, as you can see that. So let me configure it here. I just want to add one here to make it 10. ctrl plus s to save, as you already know. So let me just do one thing now. uh, so I in this video I just want to show you, if I want to make these first of all let me just show you that these are your display elements. As you can see, it is acquiring the whole space, okay. So you can see the width is from here till here. So if I will make which element that was, that element is hashtag box 1, I think. Yeah, that is box 1, id box 1, okay. So let me give display inline block, okay. So now let me show you. So now you can see that it is now acquiring only that space, as I already showed you in my previous video as well, that by doing inline block it is acquiring only that much space which this element needs. So now if I do box 2 inline block as well, okay, box 2 inline display, should be inline block. So now you can see that. So now this you can see the second element uh, will be going up in this line, because this is already inline element and this is also now inline element. So if I do refresh, so now as you can see that if I want to make these all elements in like this vertical form, okay. So uh, I just want to change their display, but this is a very time consuming trick, or you can say a time consuming idea. So now how the developers now working with the modern css, I just want to show you without doing that. So not doing that, I can do it also by changing its parent display into flex, okay. So what is flex? So if I do refresh, now you can see that all my elements are now in this form, okay. So this is a really great feature. Now flex direction, okay. Flex, I should give flex direction to this, okay, to box flex. So now if I do this flex direction like a column, so I can also make it vertically. If I do refresh now again, it is not working. Why? Flex direction, so I think I should give this flex direction to parent box, okay. So now let me save. So if I do refresh, so now you can see that my elements are now in the uh, vertical direction, okay. So if I want to reverse them in vertical, so I can also give it like this, column reverse. So how this changes, if I do refresh, so now you can see that my one is starting from here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 5. So my fifth is my first element, so this is column reverse. So I can also do it like row reverse as well. I want to show you row uh, direction row, Okay, so this is my normal row. Okay, 1 2 3 4, but if I want to change it like 5 4 3 2 1, so I can do this row reverse. Okay, so now you can see that my row is starting from here, and my fifth element is first, and now fourth, now third and second. Now the row is reversed, so now it is starting from here, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and there are tons of element, there are tons of properties, you can check it out by yourself. Okay, so I think so let me write for you guys anything like row reverse. Okay, so I think you should uh, also practice this stuff. So this is also a part of modern CSS, which nowadays developers use very much. Okay, so I think you should use this. So I think for this video this is pretty much, and all the source code will be in the description, you can check it out. Okay, no need to worry, and this all source code in the description, so you can check it out and just practice. And I will be making a project soon, a really responsive project soon. Just give me some time and practice this stuff. And after doing this flexbox, after finishing this flexbox, I will be making a video on I will be playing game with you all, so it will be a fun very well. So it will be a fun. So I am just excited to finish this flexbox, and we will be playing games together. So I think this is the time for end this video. Do like the video if you find very beneficial for you, and I will be meeting you in my next video.